You wake up already exhausted. You drag yourself to the kitchen. You eat your whole grain toast, your Greek yogurt, your avocado, maybe even a green smoothie, and yet, the fog doesn't lift. It's like your body is silently rebelling, whispering, "This isn't working." You're doing everything right. You don't binge junk food. You avoid soda. You even started going to bed earlier. But still, you feel worn out. Mentally foggy. Like you're carrying weight your body shouldn't have to bear. And here's the question no one dares ask. Why are so many healthy people so unbelievably tired? If you're watching this, chances are you've been blaming yourself. You've probably thought, maybe I'm just lazy. Or, maybe I'm not trying hard enough. But what if I told you it's not your willpower that's broken? It's the story we've been sold about healthy eating. A story that's dangerously incomplete. Let's start with a little honesty. We live in an age where food has never been more abundant, and yet, people have never felt more depleted. The shelves scream, organic, low-fat, superfood, plant-based, high-protein, but none of those words mean energy. Because energy isn't about trends. It's about cellular function. It's about what your body actually needs to make energy at the microscopic level. Inside every cell in your body, there are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They're the engines that keep your heart beating, your brain thinking, your muscles moving. And they run on raw materials, B vitamins, magnesium, iron, CoQ10, omega-3s, potassium, iodine, protein. Not just calories. Not just clean food. So, here's the uncomfortable truth. You can eat healthily, and still be malnourished. This looks healthy. Oats, almond milk, chia seeds, berries. But you know what's missing? Iron, vitamin B12, tyrosine, sodium, choline. All the things your brain and body need to build neurotransmitters, balance hormones, and stay alert. And yet, we're told to eat this every day and expect to feel amazing. A client of mine, let's call her Sarah, came to me last year. She was 34, plant-based, worked out 3 times a week, tracked her sleep, tracked her steps, took turmeric and ashwagandha. But she could barely get through a meeting without caffeine. She told me, "I feel like a walking contradiction." We ran a few simple nutrient panels. And guess what? Low iron, low vitamin D, low B12, low iodine, mild anemia, hypothyroid. She was, by textbook definition, healthy, but her cells were starving. According to Dr. Chris Masterjohn, PhD in nutritional sciences, energy isn't just about calories. It's about micronutrient sufficiency. Your mitochondria require over 30 nutrients to function optimally. If you're missing even a few, the lights start to dim. Dr. Terry Walls, a clinical professor who reversed her own MS symptoms using nutrition, once said, "We are not what we eat. We are what we absorb." And modern food? It's rich in calories, poor in function. Now, you might think, well, I take supplements, so I'm good. But here's the twist. Most supplements don't fix nutrient deficiencies. Because they aren't absorbed well. Because they're synthetic. Because nutrients don't work in isolation. You need whole food sources. In the right combinations. At the right times. Imagine trying to build a house. You've got bricks, that's your protein. You've got wires, that's your fats. But, you've got no nails. No wood. No insulation. That's what happens when you eat clean, but ignore nutrients. Your body has materials, but it can't finish the project. So what does real energy look like on a plate? It looks like a couple of pasture-raised eggs, sautéed spinach with olive oil and garlic, a side of sweet potato with sea salt, maybe even a little liver or sardines once a week. Or yes, even red meat, if your body needs it. That meal gives you choline, B12, heme iron, folate, omega-3s, zinc, copper, vitamin A. That meal fuels your mitochondria. Let's be real. The tiredness isn't just physical. It's emotional, spiritual, mental. We push through it because we're told that's what strong people do. We down our caffeine. We biohack. We optimize. And then wonder why nothing changes. But what if it's simpler? What if you're not broken? You're just underfed. Not in volume, in depth. You were never meant to live in this kind of exhaustion. You were never meant to need 3 cups of coffee to function. You were never meant to feel like every task is a mountain. You just need to give your body what it's really asking for. And maybe that's not more willpower. Maybe it's magnesium, or potassium, or iron, or salt. When Sarah started eating differently, not perfectly, just intentionally, her energy came back. She said, "It's like someone turned the volume back up on my life." This isn't about being extreme. This is about being honest with your body. Listening to what fatigue is trying to say. You can eat all the kale in the world. But if your body doesn't have the raw materials to live, no salad will save you. It's time to stop worshipping trends and start honoring biology. You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are just missing a few critical pieces. Find them and you will remember what it feels like to be alive. If this resonated with you, if you feel seen, leave a comment. What part hit home? What are you missing? Because chances are, you're not alone. And maybe, it's time we stop settling for tired.